Kevin Simpson, it's been an amazing one-week rally for Apple, up 9%, okay? Earlier, it was back at the top of the heap, the $3 trillion club. It was the most valuable company in the market again. It's going to fight it out, as we said. I have a feeling for the foreseeable future here with Microsoft, but you have sold covered calls in that name.
Scott, we sold covered calls on the entire position of Apple. And this is something where we knew that the developer conference would be a news event, whether it was going to move to the upside or the downside. And we looked at it with a 14% move in 2 days. So Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday. That's the biggest 2-day move, excluding the COVID crash. And we looked at it and said, all right, can we write calls here and harvest volatility? And we did. We wrote a 3-week option at a $240 strike. So we've got $30 of upside, not too shabby. We brought in $1 of premium, and that annualizes out at an 8% capital return on principal. And if you get an 8% option premium, that's not a bad trade, Scott.
Yeah, so Brid, what about this week for Apple, the week in which Apple reemerged as a player, so to speak, in this market? You know, for all of the trials and tribulations that the stock has had over the last, handful of years at this point, here we are back. It had a new record high this week, and what now?
Yeah, I mean, I think Tim Cook saw that Jensen Huang at NVIDIA had a bigger market cap for a minute and said, hold on there, lots of respect for you, but we're just getting started here. I think when you have well over 1 billion iPhone users, and even if each of those additions are incremental, you still have so many people that haven't even remotely upgraded to a 13, 14, or 15. And so I think the market's saying we will get an upgrade cycle. I would say I don't know how quickly that's going to manifest itself. So I love what Kevin did about selling those calls and capturing some of that premium, because I do think a lot now has been priced in. And now over the next 1, 2, 3 quarters, Apple's going to have to deliver actually what the market is expecting.
A lot's already priced in. Gee, I heard that a lot about NVIDIA. And I'm not just looking at you, Jim, because you suggested it was priced in before. But look, a lot of people thought that WWDC was already priced in to Apple, okay?
Sure.
Now, it turned out that it wasn't.
Factually
because
correct.
we have a feeling that it's going to lead to this upgrade cycle, and the stock's just had this incredible week. Can you still buy it here? Can you buy Apple after this 9% move this week?
I would not. I would not. And I don't want to sound like a Philistine here, but I applaud Kevin for his move here. Look, I understand that Apple is Apple, but it added something like $300 billion in market cap this year. And Bryn's right. This will probably incentivize an upgrade cycle that might have been a little bit lackluster, but for the Apple Intelligence moniker here. Still, I don't think that upgrade cycle is going to be anywhere near worth $300 billion. AI is real. Artificial intelligence is real. The path to monetization for a lot of companies, not all companies, but a lot of companies, is unclear. And I will tell you that the path to monetization for Apple, I don't think is worth the $300 billion market cap. Now, I will say this, Scott, you always love being able to tease me, and I'm almost certainly giving grist to the mill here. You're almost certainly going to be able to tease me on this, because sometimes sentiment outweighs valuation, and that is likely the case here. But from a fundamental analytical point of view, I'm with Kevin on this.